Okay, today I will speak about the future of crypto. We all know the Bitcoin, which is the godfather of all the cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin is basically solely dependent on the mining machine, and mining machine consumes electricity a lot. Now, let's see what's happening in the world. We are now facing the energy crisis across the globe, especially in China. China has started cutting power to their factories and even doing the factory closures. The UK has gone out of petrol recently. So this is very alarming situation to the world. If the energy crisis hit, the inflation will go beyond your thoughts, right? And this will directly impact the Bitcoin as well. Do you know how much the Bitcoin consumes the electricity when it comes to mining? Let's look at to this chart. Uh, Bitcoin is currently at 59th rank uh, across the countries in the world. After the Qatar, it's consuming the most electricity in the world before the Bulgaria, right? So if the energy crisis hits, then the mining machines will may get banned in several countries to save energy. And if that happens, the verification of transaction will be affected for sure, and Bitcoin will crash. So so based on current scenario, I am seeing a very alarming situation for Bitcoin especially, and the crypto future. So this is solely my own opinion. uh, and one more big thing which is causing the energy crisis is the rising coal prices. Let's look into this graph. This is the graph of the coal prices. You can see the coal prices has gone 4 times higher, which is the main key input in the thermal power energy. So if the price of coal keep rising and energy crisis keep prevailing in such circumstances, the Bitcoin can be a huge disaster. This is solely my own opinion, and I can be wrong, I can be right. So it's up to you. What do you decide for your future? Thank you so much.